Are you doing something more dangerous today?
It's like more dangerous than the last time. I saw this on the internet. The guy who did this died.
What?
Wait, that's what inspired you. You saw somebody kill himself doing that. You said, I want to do that on America's Got Talent.
No, because I want to be the guy who like succeed doing this.
I'm really scared right now because this is like the most dangerous act that he ever did.
We have moved to outside. Our judges are outside. The audience is here outside for your act. This is scary. What are you thinking as your husband is about to do this?
Suddenly, I'm scared.
You're scared
for him. Yeah.
Well, he's not my husband and I'm scared. Are you ready?
He'll be okay.
Okay, you come with me while your hubby does his thing.
Okay. You can see that I have like 10-foot hole in front of me. I'm gonna be tied with chain and padlock, cuff, and be laid down inside. And the crew gonna cover the lid, and they'll like pour the sand. 1.5 minutes to escape before all the sand covered this hole, and I lost my breath.
Is there anything we should be doing if it goes beyond 1.5 minutes?
I have like small camera there, so you can see if something go wrong.
And the ambulance comes or
Yeah,
somebody.
the ambulance gonna save me.
Okay, are you sure you want to do this?
Yes, I'm sure, I'm positive. Before I start, I need something from my wife to help me escape. Can I borrow your bobby pin?
Maybe okay. Hey, I don't have a good feeling here.
Doesn't get any of these locks off. Oh my God.
Taking the bobby pin out.
We've got one undone. What is he doing?
What are we at now, 45 seconds or so?
There can't be any more air in there. There's no air in there.
If he runs out, how are they going to get him out fast enough?
What if he's in trouble now? How can he even signal? Well, we lost power in the...
Where's the camera?
Hello?
What's up with it, you guys? I think the camera's not working.
Guys, seriously?
Seriously? Get him out. Guys, seriously?
Hold her.
Seriously? Get him out. Get him out.
Why are they still shoveling?
Why are...
Do you need to get him out now? I think you need to help get him out.
Wait!
everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you want more, click right down here and subscribe. Mwah.